Hello and welcome back to Women's Financial Empowerment Group. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, hit the notification bell so you'll know whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. And like this video, share it with your friends, all those wonderful things. If you've been here before, like I said before, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. Please like this video. In today's video, I will be sharing a step-by-step guide for investing specifically in stocks for beginners. I do have other investment videos which deal with investments in general, but this one is specifically investing in stocks. Now, before I begin, I just want to issue my disclaimer that I am a financial coach. I am not a financial advisor. So I cannot tell you exactly what to invest in for your situation. So this is just for informational purposes. I want to start out by giving you a really super simple definition for what is a stock. A stock is the ownership certificates of any company. Now, you may wonder, what is a share? Because you're going to hear buying shares of stock. What is a share? A share is a specific, it's an ownership certificate of a specific company. So hopefully that helps a little bit. I will dive in to more details about those things in other videos. This video is part one of a two-part series on how to invest in stocks. So please come back and see the next video that will follow this video so you can get part two. Let's dive into part one. Step one. Decide on how you want to invest. Do you feel like you need help to invest in stocks? Or do you feel like it's something you can do on your own? If you feel like you need help, then you may want to go with a robo-advisor. What robo-advisors are, they're digital financial advisors. So you're not dealing with a person, you're dealing with an algorithm. So based on the information you put in, that will decide what stocks you invest in. So it's really geared towards your goals that you set for yourself. And some examples are Acorn, which I've linked in the description, and Betterment, but there are several others out there. If you are a do-it-yourselfer, then you may want to go with an online broker. And there are so many out there. It's a little bit more work, but it also is the least expensive option. And some of the top picks for 2020 include Merrill Edge, internet brokers, not internet brokers, but interactive brokers, and TD Ameritrade. So that's just a few of the top picks for this year. Step number 2, open your investing account. Now, it usually takes about 10 minutes to open up an account, and you can open up an account usually with not that much money. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see a video showing you step by step how to open up an investing account, and I could definitely do that. Step number 3, decide whether you want to invest in individual stocks, mutual funds, which is a basket of sorts of different stocks, or if you want to invest in ETFs or index funds, which are also mutual funds, but they track an index such as the S&P 500. Those are topics that deserve their own video. But for the purposes of this video, I just want to keep it super duper simple for you. So you can decide whether you just want stocks, individual stocks, or if you want just mutual funds, just ETFs, just index funds, or you could have any combination of the above or all of the above. I suggest diversifying your portfolio by having a combination of the above, and within individual stocks, having different types of stocks like international as well as US stocks. There's so many different types. And as I said before, this is a whole other video because it can be quite lengthy to talk about. But just know that I believe that it's a good idea, excuse me, to diversify by having a combination. So just to recap on the first three steps that I have given you. Step number one, decide how you want to invest in stocks, whether you want to do it on your own or if you need help. Step number two, open up your account. And step number three, decide whether you want to invest in individual stocks, mutual funds, index funds, ETFs, and or whether or not you want a combination. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please come back for part two. Like this video and share it with your friends. And remember, change your mind, change your pocketbook. Thank you for watching.